up, guys? We are headed to the track. We're gonna go run support and do some tuning stuff for Austin and Rich at House of Euro and Mola Sport Racing. So they have an A3 that they picked up. It's a 15 Quattro, so it's got obviously the 2-liter DSG. It's running our Stage 2 tune on the ECU as well as upgraded TCU tune. So we're going to do some testing with that and just kind of go progression through some tuning stuff, which should be pretty fun. Yeah, we'll have a good time. So follow along and let's get it. All right, well, making a few changes here. Just going over the tune I'm about to flash to the A3, and so far things are looking pretty good. So what all did you change on the car?
So while I just put a turbo inlet on it and like a cold intake tube, it had a cold air, but just a cheap turbo inlet, just trying it.
All right, let's go V2, flash that. Awesome. So yeah, it's a bit warm out. So
Yeah.
the track temps.
The first weekend it got really hot.
Yeah. Last week it would have been good, but so track temps are gonna be a little warm, but it'll cool off.
And it takes it a little warm, stocking or cooler, but cool.
Yeah.
This is baseline for what's to come.
No, that'll be fun. Yeah, we'll hit it for a bit and see what happens, but let's get this thing flashed. There we go. She's flashing. Should go pretty quick. Alright, yeah, they're doing some drifting back there. Alright, so here's the car. He did a hood exit. Nittos on here, right? You got Nittos? Tires? Nittos?
Yeah.
Nittos. It's pretty much stock trim otherwise. It's actually a really clean car. This thing's good. How did you get up so far? You just pull up?
Nobody's in line.
That's awesome. You got draggy working?
Yep. Obviously I want to.
Make it to log it. So just hit that center button. So like once you're connected, so like hit the back button. So yeah, once you go into the gauges, like while it's running, it may do it with the key on. Yeah, so just hit the center button. It'll say, so if you do it now, press it. It'll say it'll do that, and then just press it again to stop. So you can stop it there. Yeah. So just press it to go, and then. Wait, what happened?
I'm so flustered because he ran me with a stick car.
Oh.
Like a slick. Like, what the fuck are you, like, I don't know why you're making me run with him. Why am I out running with Camaro? I wasn't ready.
Did it? No, it was a good, yeah. Did it try to come up on launch control, or was it you were just not at the...
No, it didn't come up on launch control. Because I didn't have time to turn traction off. It kept trying to fucking tell me to go.
But yeah, dude, 14.2 for a slow leave, solid though. Like, it's a good starting spot.
I mean, I was a 2.362.
Yeah, so you were cutting 1.9s last night. All right, so made a revision to the last tune. Changed a few things with timing. See if it'll give us a little more up top. Hit about 99 miles an hour at the top end. So I think it was just getting super heat soaked. We'll see what happens on this next run. Do a data log on it and get some good data for it. Was that full launch? Yeah, I had it. It's had about $4 grand. So, all right, round 2. One-handed scootering is sketchy. Some good rollers with this thing. You just got to hold on tight. The 8S4. Good lead for the S4. Oh man, it's gonna be close. Challenger just barely got him. All right, he's already going. We're gonna get a bunch of runs in tonight. Dude, he's already up. Like, if we just keep doing this, I mean, the runs are gonna be great.
I expect the lines to be way longer.
I know. I think a lot of people are either gonna show up later because it's super hot out. Yeah. So is that an Ionic? There we go. Yeah. Get some. Those tires hot. Hell yeah, almost a full second on that. That's awesome. Yeah, that was way better. Full second off of that, dude. That was killer. Yeah, picked up like 16 mile an hour too.
160, 60 foot.
Dude, that's
impressive.
Yeah, that's moving. All right, we're sitting in here in the AC. Things look good in the log. Let me show you. All right, so boost is pretty good. Started falling off a bit after each shift, kind of right before the shift. So added a little bit of boost in there. This was the last part of fourth gear. I was holding nice 20 pounds-ish, tapering off to about, I think it was like almost 18, which is good. Ignition timing is a little low still for 100 octane that's in the tank. AFR looks perfect. I mean, we're right there. Red line is actual and blue line is requested, so looking good there. And load the new revision on the access port. We'll get flashed and do another rip. We lost generator power. When they go better end the gas. Sitting here and all of a sudden it gets dark. That's pretty funny. I'm scared of the dark in here, man. Dude, he fucking beat the GTI, dude. I mean, he had a weird launch, but still, like,
0.11.
dude, that was yeah, that was dude, that was
can't lose on the reactor.
Dude, that was a good run. Was that better than the last one?
It felt a lot better. Like it was charging the whole way. Like it didn't feel like it was pulling stuff.
Yeah.
But I missed the 1-2 shift.
Oh, were you manually shifting?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, access port booting up. Get revision number 4 flashed on this thing. Deep stage. Back in. Woo-hoo-hoo! Almost a 12, dude. Oh! Oh! Dude, that was... Yeah?
That's crazy.
I know. You've treated the shit out of him. But it did you do the shift and then it shifted?
No. I did the shift, but I just missed it. Like, I was trying to run it out.
Oh,
I
yeah.
watched it, and then I, like, moved my hand down, and it goes, duh-duh. I was
Yeah.
like, oh.
Yeah, you probably should just do like... What were we at?
We only won
I don't know,
7-8.
but he didn't roll around
I mean,
me.
178 that's still solid.
I mean, it's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he's only 3 mile an hour faster.
So your mile an hour is a little about the
I was gonna
same.
say, and I will say, you should look at the time, because I feel like it held the other end way harder. And when I go, and I will say, it's probably air intake temps, because when I got off and looked down, and I was like, holy shit, a 5.0 Mustang did not just blow past me.
Yeah.
I looked down, it was only 122 on the air.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so that helped a lot. Yeah, so the 60 foot's getting better.
Well, yeah, look at your 330. You're 548.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Yeah.
574.
Oh,
Yeah.
now?
No, this is your new one.
Okay.
So you're 548.
Yeah.
You were 574.
What was the first one?
542.
542.
Not
okay.
first, but this was the
Oh,
best
yeah,
pass.
because the first one was 14. So the best pass. So we did do a
That's the
13-1.
best pass.
What's the mile an hour to the 83, 82? So we are picking up mile an hour. It's
Okay.
pulling the top end harder, but not as much.
Yeah,
out of
you're
it.
104. So
Yeah.
you're barely.
Yeah, but 60.
Yeah. So I wonder.
83.3 and then.
Dude, I wonder if you leave it. I wonder if you leave it in sport and just let it do its thing at $6,000. It'll keep it in the torque band better.
So what?
Like just put it.
Launch it?
Yeah, just leave it in sport and
It
launch.
doesn't- On the street, draggy, it's 60 foot less. Like it only did a 1.9 in sport.
Okay. So your 60 foot's better with manual mode.
With manual,
Okay.
60 foot's better. But I can launch and then just flip the shifter over so it's in sport.
Yeah.
Instead of making
Maybe try it. Yeah, maybe try it. All right, so we're up in the rev limiter a little bit. We're going to 4,700. We're at 4,300 on that last one. So we're still at a 1.7 60 foot, which is solid. If we can get it to a 1.6, I think we'll be all right. Maybe get into that 12.9 range. So get it flashed and we'll get back out there. All right, going for run number, I think we're on number 5. Run number 5. We got IAT wise.
104.
104, nice, all right. Dang, that 720S. About to get it. All right, going up against the truck. So F-150, it looks like not supercharged or turbo or anything. So we'll see what it does, but it's cooled off nice. The track's looking good. Come down here a bit. Sounds like he wants to get it. Jet versus Jacko Motorsports action, just for fun. I mean, obviously that B8's quick. He's running 11s. Austin's been 13-1 his fastest, so it's gonna be really cool. But let's see if he can beat him off the tree. All right, here we go. Here we go. On the launch. All right, last run of the night. Here we go. Full send. Here we go. Oh man, so close. Dude, so close, dude. So fucking close. That was so good.
It was 2:25 or something like that at the end of the run.
Ooh, so it got hot. Damn. What was our numbers?
103.4. So it's not picking up much speed. Like we're not doing much.
No. Well, that's a wrap. She's going away for the night. Dude, pretty solid first outing.
Yeah, I'm very disappointed we didn't get a 12.
I know, dude. I know. I was. Oh man. Yeah, I know.
Hot.
It was. No, yeah. 102 is warm, and the track it's even worse. So.
But, we did ice water on the intercooler. We did fans. We obviously let it cool down, and we still only got it.
Yeah. IAT never dropped below 100 ever. So. Yeah, I know.
But it pulled the top end. It pulled the top end super hard, and the adjustments that we made like slowly got it better. So we're just limited to still stock parts, very much stock parts.
Yeah.
Stock turbo, stock intercooler.
A little wide there. Like the track's right here. He was full send. So.
Yeah, stock everything. I mean, basically all we do is put tires in the downpipe.
Yeah, it's crazy, but
yeah, I mean it's a 12-second car in cold cooler weather.
It is. So yeah,
It's impressive.
I mean, I stock trim.
Yeah.
Front wheel drive and the second to last.
Yeah, I forgot to turn the Haldex back on.
So, I mean, you know, front
Like
wheel
we did a
drive
big
is cool.
smoky burnout. I was like, how did blow the tires off it?
But no, it was good. So, all right, thanks for watching, everybody. It was awesome. Back to the next one.